Hi everyone, welcome back. July 30, and this is the Aussie versus the US dollar weekly chart. I think this one, the Aussie dollar, reflects the market, the situation of the market really nicely. I think it's one of the main factors. The market, as a whole, in general, was very, very static in the previous 5-6 weeks. So this is what we call the consolidation phase or the transition phase, where price moves from trend situation into consolidation, which is, take a look at this part right here. The last 5 or 6 weeks, right? We virtually had no movement, basically sideways, very, very narrow, and very difficult to generate profit. But this is basically this transition phase. Usually we work with very low trading volume. So my trading activities were cut by 90% in these 5-6 weeks until we have a resolution. Final resolution would be a breakout, right? A break up, basically. I'm going to show you there's a setup here sitting right here in this very tight movement. I'm going to show you coming from the daily chart, and we have a point of reference there. If we're going to have a breakout of that point of reference, that's going to be that's going to be a huge indication that the next move is going to be an upside trend. On the other scenario, obviously a break below 73.54 here, that's a huge supportive level, the bottom key level of the symmetric setup. And we can already see the reaction we had here, right, all across the previous 5 weeks here, all of which were trying to challenge that level from above, trying to break through, but ending up failing, right? Basically, price bounced back and remains above that level. But it doesn't mean that we're going to have an upside reversal. Let's take a look at my what we call the imminent trigger. The imminent trigger, that comes from the daily chart. Now I'm talking about the black system here, mostly with regards to this level right here, the top level, 74.68. That's my official trigger to take a bullish position if price breaks out. Now you can see it already tried to break out. That was a couple of weeks ago. And take a look at this really nice reaction with these two spikes, but eventually price just keeps closing inside of that black system. Following that was a downside leg and then an upside leg. Right now, price trades exactly in the middle of that tight range, right? That black system. So a break above 74.68 will indicate that we're out of that consolidation phase that is going on for a month and a half now. It's like I said, I think it's like a pressure cooker. It's about to explode. It's going to explode with high, probably. With momentum, with high momentum. So we'll see. 74.68, that's our official trigger level. If we're gonna have a breakdown, however, I'm probably not gonna take a short position at that point because I don't have a strong framework like we have here on the upside. We don't have it on the downside, but I can say that it's most likely that price will try to chase the previous major lows, right? It's two lows. Right, around the level of 71.55. That's probably where it's going to go. If we're going to have a genuine breakdown below 73.54 here, so should be interesting. Like I said, it should be happening any day now. The breakout. So I'm definitely going to follow up, and I'll keep you posted. See you in the next one.